Namaste children. Children, I think you would have completed question and answer of chapter first, India, size and location. Two map works were also given to you. One map work was for locating the neighboring countries which form the Indian subcontinent, and another map was to show the important latitudes and longitudes, that is 8 degree 4 minute north latitude. We will have to highlight a standard meridian of India. On the same map we will have to also show the longitudinal extension of western margin of India, that is 68 degree 7 minute east, and eastern margin, that is 97 degree 25 minute east. And one more important latitude is southernmost latitude of India, that is at 6 degree 45 minute north. तो बच्चे आपको ये सारे मैप करने होंगे. Now I am going to start chapter 2. The name of this chapter is Physical Features of India. Before starting this chapter, I would like to clear you that physical features means the characteristics. Features means characteristics. किसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स? फिजिकल, यानी भारत का जो स्वरूप है, प्राकृतिक स्वरूप है, इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स सच एज माउंटेन, प्लेट्यू, प्लेन्स, डेजर्ट एंड आइलैंड्स. तो ये सारे फिजिकल फीचर्स हैं. किसके फिजिकल फीचर्स? इंडिया के. इंडिया के फिजिकल फीचर्स को, यानी उसके जो फिजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, उनके बारे में आप इस चैप्टर में पढ़ोगे. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू से यू फ्यू जनरल थिंग्स that is given in first paragraph of your textbook, page number 7. Children, you have learnt in earlier class that India is a vast country. It is the 7th largest country of the world in area, with varied landforms. Now the question for you, what kind of form of land is there in your surroundings where you live in? Naturally, if you are living in the plain area, you are acquainted with the physical feature of the plain. If you are living in the hilly or mountainous areas, you have seen conical shapes, a rugged topography, over-cover terrains of land. If you are living in the plateau region, you would have acquainted with the plateau, that is highland having table shaped and a steep slope. If you are living in the island area, naturally you might be knowing the feature of island. In this way, you have been acquainted with the physical features, but you must know the definition of mountain, plateau, plains, deserts, island. Children, at the time of watching video, I have been telling you, and once again I am telling you, please keep your pen and paper open to write the main points which is discussed through this video. Now some terminologies like mountain. You may write what is mountain. A conical shaped highland whose average height is more than 1000 meters above the sea level is called mountain. For example, Himalayan mountain. It means mountain का जो अपर शेप होता है वह कोनिकल में होता है और इसके स्लोप जेंटल होते हैं. दिस इज द फीचर ऑफ द माउंटेन. हिमालयन माउंटेन एंड Andes mountain, Alps mountain. Number of mountains are there in this world. You may write one example also of mountain. Now, what is plateau? A table-shaped highland whose average height is 600 meters above the sea level is called plateau. Children, again, a table-shaped highland whose average height is 600 meters above the sea level is called plateau. For example, छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू, मालवा प्लेट्यू, तिब्बत प्लेट्यू. प्लेट्यू की खासियत ये होती है कि हाइट होता है, इसके जो स्लोप होते हैं वह स्टीप स्लोप होता है, बट अपर पार्ट में लगता है जैसे टेबल जैसा है, इसीलिए इसको टेबल शेप्ड हाईलैंड भी कहते हैं. नाउ plain. Relatively flat land area is called plain. प्रायः समतल भाग को प्लेन कहते हैं, but it has also height. Its height of the plain varies 100 to 300 meters. Now the definition of desert. A vast area of sand which has no vegetation due to scanty or less rainfall is called desert. डेजर्ट जो है एक विशाल बालुओं का, इट इज एन ओशन ऑफ द सेंट, मतलब ये एक बालू का समुद्र जैसा विशाल वास्ट एरिया होता है. इसमें वेजिटेशन पेड़ पौधे बहुत कम होते, बिकॉज इन दिस डेजर्ट एरिया यूजुअली रेन फॉल इज लेस. एग्जाम्पल, इन योर कंट्री थार डेजर्ट. नाउ island, a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. यानी ऐसा एक लैंड जो चारों तरफ पानी से घिरा हुआ हो उसको आइलैंड कहते हैं. हिंदी में इसको टापू कहते हैं और इंग्लिश में इट इज नोन एज एन आइलैंड. तो इस चैप्टर में बच्चे till now you have come across with the different forms of land, that is mountain, plateau, plains, deserts, islands. You have learnt the definition, but you might be wondering about how these different forms of land have formed. माउंटेन कैसे बना, प्लेट्यू कैसे बना, प्लेन कैसे बना, डेजर्ट कैसे बना. चिल्ड्रन, इन दिस चैप्टर फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया you will learn more about these major physical features and how they have been formed. ये कैसे बने हैं इसके बारे में आप डिटेल्स में पढ़ेंगे. Now we find different types of rocks. In class 7 you have studied definition and types of rocks. Hard or loose particles from which our earth crust has been formed is known as rock. Rock may be very hard like marble, from which Taj Mahal is made, and some rock is very soft like soap stone, which is used in making talcum powder. Children, you have also studied types of soil in chapter 2 class 8. The color of soil varies from one place to another place because soil is formed out of different types of rocks. You know about black soil? Black soil has been formed because of weathering of lava rock, therefore its color is black. Red and yellow soil, you know, it has been formed because of weathering of igneous and crystalline metamorphic rock. That's why their color varies. But one question is coming before you, that why these colors are varying from one rock to another rock, from one soil to another soil. Children, most of these variations in the type of rock and their color, type of soil and their color are caused due to differences in rock फॉर्मेशन, अलग अलग समय में अलग तरह से ये रॉक फॉर्म हुए हैं, इसलिए उनके कलर भी अलग हैं। India is a large landmass formed during different geological period. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि जियोलॉजिकल पीरियड क्या होता है, व्हाट इज जियोलॉजिकल पीरियड। यह पीरियड जो है ह्यूमन बीइंग के एग्जिस्टेंस से पहले का है। नाउ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ जियोलॉजिकल पीरियड इज ए यूनिट ऑफ जियोलॉजिकल टाइम, a unit of geological time in which a system of rock formed। एक ऐसा समय जिसमें एक रॉक फॉर्म हुआ, तो दिस टाइम इज नोन एज जियोलॉजिकल टाइम। Because of some internal movements, a system of rock has been formed. This type of formation period is known as geological period. Now, about the rock formation and the formation of different forms of the land, earth scientists have tried to explain the formation of physical feature of India with the help of some थ्योरीज। थ्योरी किसको कहते हैं? इट इज वन टाइप ऑफ आइडिया दैट इज वेरी क्लोज टू द प्रूफ, यानी जो आइडिया दिया गया है अर्थ साइंटिस्ट के द्वारा और वो लगता है कि सही है, दैट इज नोन एज थ्योरी। एंड रिगार्डिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अर्थ, वन authentic theory is known as plate tectonic theory. Now question is, plate tectonic theory ये क्या, कौन सा थ्योरी है? तो ये एक ऐसा सिद्धांत है that has proved the formation of physical features of the earth because of movement of the plate. Children, our earth's crust is made up of few major plates and some minor plates. हमारी जो पृथ्वी का अपर पार्ट है वह कुछ बड़े बड़े भूखंड, प्लेट मीन्स भूखंड, लार्ज लैंड बॉडी, तो कुछ बड़े बड़े लैंड बॉडीज हैं अर्थ क्रस्ट के और कुछ छोटे हैं। माना जाता है कि मूवमेंट ऑफ दीज बिग एंड स्मॉल प्लेट्स हैव रिजल्टेड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फिजिकल फीचर ऑफ इंडिया। इन नेक्स्ट class we will discuss the type of plate movement. Till then you will note down all these terms and remember, so that you can use the remembered point at the time of need to discuss the different features. Okay, thank you.